If you're trying to reduce your bookkeeping time by up to 80% using software, this video is going to save you hours every single week. I've tested all the popular tools out there, and I'm going to show you exactly what works step by step in under 3 minutes. And if you stick around, I'll show you how to get exclusive access to a free trial of the software we're using, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's get right into it. The biggest time waster in bookkeeping: manual data entry, chasing receipts, and reconciling bank statements line by line. The software we're using eliminates all of that with automation. Here's how. Step 1. Connect your bank accounts and credit cards. Once connected, the software automatically pulls in your transactions in real time, so you're not wasting time uploading CSVs or typing them in manually. Next, set up rules. This is where the 80% time saving really kicks in. You can tell the software, every time I buy from Amazon, categorize it as office supplies. Do this once, and it's automated forever. Within a week, most of your regular expenses will be sorted automatically. Now, scan or snap your receipts. This software uses OCR tech to match receipts with transactions and store them for compliance. No more shoebox of papers. You can literally take a photo from your phone and it's done. Invoicing is just as easy. You can send branded invoices, set up recurring billing, and track payments all in one place. It'll even auto-remind clients who haven't paid yet, so you're not chasing people down or checking spreadsheets every day. Reconciliation, which usually takes hours, becomes a few clicks. The software suggests matches for your transactions, and if the rules are set right, it'll even reconcile most of them automatically. At the end of the month or quarter, you're ready for tax time. You can generate profit and loss statements, expense reports, and export everything to your accountant without scrambling for data. This is the exact workflow I use and recommend. It's all handled in the background while you focus on growing your business. Now, the key takeaway here: bookkeeping doesn't have to be this massive time suck. With the right software and a few automations, you can reduce your bookkeeping time by 80% or more and still have everything organized for taxes, clients, and audits. Quick recap: connect your accounts, set up rules once, scan receipts as you go, automate invoicing and reminders, reconcile in clicks, and export your reports when needed. Done. And before you go, if you want to follow along or try this for yourself, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description just for viewers of my channel. Take advantage of it. It's the best way to see real results without spending a dime up front. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.